So, activity number 4 is the pipe cleaner trees. And this is such an adorable and different activity. Okay, so let's read the letters and then I'll show you the materials, the items that we have in this one, okay? Do you know what pipe cleaners are? Have you ever played with these? They are pretty fun to play with and also to do arts and crafts projects. Just the one we're gonna do in this kit. Inspired by Arbor Day, what do you think if you can create with the pipe cleaners in this kit? Just watch out for the thin ends of the wire, okay? So let me show you what it is. Let's open it. Got it. Okay, so these are the pipe cleaners. Okay, I put many different colors inside for you guys, and the ends that I told you to be careful, to watch out, is this one. Okay, just watch out, they can hurt. Okay, ouch. Okay, so be careful. Be careful. But in general, this works really well. This is really fun. So you got some pipe cleaners there. What I want you in this activity, guys, is to use your creativity and solving problems. So look at the materials that you have. Look, I have pipe cleaners. I have some sticks, popsicle sticks, and beads. You have the beads also, right? These little beads, they are little flowers. And what can I do with them? I can make a tree. How can I make this tree? How can I do this? Just use your best skills, solve this problem, and then let me know if it worked, okay? I just want you to think hard, okay?